In this lesson, we'll learn about how to reference worksheets in the workbook you have currently open, as well as other workbooks that you may not currently be using. The purpose of learning how to use this is reducing the amount of manual work that it takes to find the file, open it, and manually locate and use the data that you're using in the sheet. Learning how to manipulate these sheets will give you the ability to automate tasks and take out this tedious work from your workflow. First off, we must learn how to properly reference the sheets within our current workbook. In order to do this, we use the following format. The workbook drilled down into the sheet within the sheet name, followed by the range with the actual range we are looking for. The only new facet we are learning about here is this workbook property. We use this when we are currently active within the workbook that we are looking to use. Most likely you have a cell selected somewhere in the workbook and you are currently working with it, the workbook that the macro is being created in. With this being defined, VBA can easily identify the sheet you are looking for and the associated range. For accessing a workbook that is outside of one the macro is created in, there's one condition that we must consider, whether or not the workbook is actually open in the background or not. The reason behind this is as follows. Excel has a running memory which exists in the background processes. If it cannot detect that the workbook is active within its memory, it is not able to directly access the workbook. The format of accessing the workbook that is open in the background follows as in this example. Workbooks followed by the file name of the workbook, sheets followed by sheet name followed by the range. For when we are looking at closed workbooks is where the conundrum comes in. We are able to access these, however we must be more specific regarding the syntax of the workbook that we are looking at. While we discussed that when Excel exists within the backend processes, if it is open, VBA is capable of identifying the workbook based on the workbook name itself. However, since we learned how to do it before in the previous lesson, we can simply call the same function, open it, and then run it, like in this example, using the previous syntax discussed to exact our code on the external sheet.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.